Hi, I'm Anna with Marshall Communications, and today I made apple cider whoopie pies. The whoopie pie is the mainstay treat, and this variety was super tasty and great for the fall. It has apple cider and apple butter in it, and a whole bunch of really awesome spices, so I think you'll really like them. So I've already done a few of the steps. I've whisked my dry ingredients. I've condensed 1.25 cups of apple cider down to 1/4 cup. And I've taken the brown sugar and the unsalted butter and beaten it together for a few minutes. And now I'm gonna add the cider, an egg, and 1/4 cup of apple butter and mix that in, and then the dry ingredients. While the whoopie pies are baking, I went ahead and I made the cream cheese frosting for the filling. And in my edited version of this recipe, I used 3 times the amount of confectioner's sugar than the recipe called for because I think it needed to be sweeter. This is a whoopie pie, the filling's supposed to be sweet. And some people have gone as far as adding 4.5 cups of confectioner's sugar. So just adjust it to your sweetness preference. One little extra special step to make it super tasty is when they come out of the oven, we're going to brush them with some melted butter and then dip them in cinnamon sugar so they have a nice super sweet top. So I'm going to do that to all of these guys, and then I'm going to let them cool completely, and then I'll fill them. So the next step, now that they're all cool and ready to go, is to make them super appley. I'm going to add apple butter on one side and then the cream cheese frosting, about a tablespoon I guess, on the other. And put them together, and there you got your little cute whoopie pie. Here's the final product, super cute little whoopie pie. The cake has a really nice taste, and I think the extra apple butter inside makes it that much more like an appley kind of whoopie pie. So I think it's perfect for this time of year. I hope you like it.